Introducing the 2008 Subaru Outback. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Check out the list of included features for this vehicle. They are sure to elevate your trip from a standard ride to a more overall enjoyable experience. If safety is a concern, know you're covered with this vehicle's features. Call today to schedule a test drive.